Once the sun came out this afternoon, it turned out to be very nice with temperatures in the 50s and even approaching 60 in some areas. Let's take a look at the 13 weather ball. It is red. Even warmer weather ahead coming up here tomorrow. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Made 59 in Kalamazoo, 60 in Three Rivers to the north. North of that stationary front, mid and upper 40s. We only made 49 here in Grand Rapids, tantalizingly close to that 50-degree mark, but we did forecast 54 today. That's the second time in a row where we have not come within 3 degrees of our forecast high. We still may go up a few degrees here this evening. They're very typical for the spring season to occur after 6 o'clock. We're only about 0.3 of a degree cooler than average now, thanks to the warm weather the last couple of days. A little bit on the shy side for precipitation, exactly even for snowfall, and about 13% less sunshine than usual. The upper level winds are driving the weather pattern at the present time. Instead of those winds coming out of Canada, they're now a little bit more out of the west and southwest. That's why we've got that warming trend coming up through at least to Friday. There's a little dip in the jet stream. This is mostly precipitation on Friday and Saturday, so that's going to cool us off into the 40s briefly, but then another surge of some milder air coming on up as we get in toward the end of the weekend into early next week. We're watching this area of low pressure as it heads down through the southern states. Then later on next week, that may have implications for some severe weather way to our south. We're not quite into that season quite yet, but we do have severe weather week coming up here next week. We'll have a lot of topics, and this is a rare day 7. This is occurring next to Monday for South Texas through portions of Louisiana and on into Tuesday, March 22nd for the deep south. This is where a severe weather outbreak is expected, but that is way away from West Michigan, and that would be early next week. What's happening in our neck of the woods? Well, we're looking at some sunshine again here during the day tomorrow. Might be a couple of sprinkles of rain on to Thursday, but the main event we talked about last week and most of the early part of this week staying to our south. It looks like it's coming back a little bit further to the north. So I think we'll see some rain on Friday, exiting to the south on Saturday. But at least we'll see rain, not snow, and then the sun comes out here during the day on Sunday. Now, we're not talking a lot of rain here on a Thursday. Most of it will be the sprinkle kind of variety. This is Wednesday's forecast. This is on into Thursday, just a couple of hundredths of an inch. The majority of the rain will come up on a Friday afternoon and Friday night, and we're talking about 1/4 of an inch or less here, with up to 3/4 of an inch off to the south and east, and maybe even by Sunday afternoon, there could be over an inch toward Detroit. Forecast, though, for tomorrow, plenty of sunshine. A few high clouds here and there. Temperatures warming back up to 61 Holland and South Haven. Mid-50s from Muskegon northward. Up north, you'll be around 60, maybe even as warm as 63 in Greenville. From Grand Rapids southward, we'll be up about 10 to 15 degrees here in Grand Rapids. Highs will be up into the mid-60s. 13 on your side forecast. Around 60 on St. Patrick's Day. Maybe that sprinkle, but the best chance for rain will be over 70% of the area instead of 40% on a Friday through Saturday morning before it ends. Sunshine returns then on a Sunday as spring officially arrives, near 60 on Monday. And then a little more seasonable weather starting next Tuesday through the following Friday. There'll be some rain Tuesday night through next Thursday morning. So at least there's spring showers, guys, no snow.
Yeah, I can take those.
Indeed.